Welcome! I'll walk you through the process of deleting your account, step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the Company button at the top of your homepage and give it a click. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Contacts. Now you'll see a section labeled Need Help. Click on Contact Support to reach the support team. Here, select the option to Ask a Question so you can submit your request. In the question field, type in how to delete your account and press Enter to search. You'll see a link to a contact form in the results. Click on that to proceed. Fill out the form with your account details and specify that you'd like to delete your account. Once you've completed the form, click Submit to send your request. Remember, this action is permanent, so make sure you've backed up any important data beforehand. That's all there is to it. You've successfully submitted your account deletion request. If you need to review these steps again, just hit Restart.